Enabling Face ID for password autofill on your iPhone 16 provides a secure and convenient way to access your saved passwords without manually entering them each time. Here's how to access and manage this feature. To start, go to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the current display. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. Now in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted to proceed. In the succeeding menu, scroll down and locate Password Autofill. Finally, tap the toggle switch to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, Face ID will authenticate you before autofilling passwords in apps and websites. Otherwise, this authentication process won't be required. You can configure this setting at any time, according to your preferences as well as privacy and security needs. Just repeat the same steps to get back to the Face ID and Passcode menu and then apply necessary changes to your password autofill setting. And that's it! Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more relevant smartphone tutorials and troubleshooting guides.